We're starting at the front of the mat. We're going to go through at a nice pace. We're also going to start bringing in some hip openers and twists to build through our shoulders. So it's just playing around with the sun salutations.
Okay, good start. 4 people, good morning.
So we'll start with our feet together, mountain pose, heels slightly further apart. Open the hands up to face forward. Draw the shoulder blades together. Open the chest. Inhaling, reaching the hands wide. Palms come together. And exhale, pivoting from the hips. Hands come down to the mat, head down towards the knees. Inhale, flat back, look forward, stretch those hamstrings. And exhale, place hands to mat and step back. Going into a full plank pose. As we exhale, lower Chaturanga. Elbows 90 degrees. Inhale, come forward and up to upward dog. Cracking of the elbows if it's your first of the morning. Exhaling, downward dog. So just starting with a simple 3-legged dog. Just pedal the feet out initially. Push, ground through the palms of the hands, fingers spread. Bring your left heel to the floor, right leg raises. Push back through the hands, feel the stretch through left calf. Exhaling, place right foot to the floor. Inhale, raise left leg. Again, ground through both palms, feel right heel coming closer, if not to the floor. Exhaling, foot to floor. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, look forward, hands to shins or fingertips to the floor. Exhale, chest to thighs. Straighten the legs. Inhaling, hands come wide. Palms come together above the head. And exhale. Hands to heart center. Inhaling, raising the hands on 2. Palms together, exhale, fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, straight back, look forward, hamstring stretch. Exhale, hands to mat. Take a step back with both feet, speeding up a little bit lower, Chaturanga, elbows stay tucked in to the ribcage. Inhaling, upward dog, open the chest. And exhaling, downward dog. Shannon's laughing. Left heel to floor, inhale, raise right leg. So simply going to start working on building strength through the shoulders. Exhale, bring knee to nose. Arching the spine upwards as we would maybe in a cat pose. Inhaling, straighten the legs. Exhale, right foot to floor. Inhale, raise. Left leg, keep the hips level. Right heel comes to the floor maybe. Exhale, knee to nose. Weight may come forward ever so slightly. We're arching the back, right calf stretching. Inhale, raise. Exhaling, left foot to floor. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands sweep wide. Palms together. Coming straight into hands to mat. Exhale, so moving swiftly, gently to number 3. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hands to mat. Take a step back. Both feet, plank pose. Exhale, lower Chaturanga, knees and come to the floor if modified. Inhaling, upward dog. Feeling the body warming up. Exhale, downward dog. Left heel to floor, right leg raises. Inhale. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhaling, raise right leg. And exhaling, right foot to floor. Inhale, raise left leg. Exhale, knee to elbow. And inhaling, straighten left leg and put to floor. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Now, Shannon, inhale, flat back, look forward, hamstring stretch. Exhale, lower. Inhaling, sweeping the hands wide and palms together. Come straight back down, forward. Number 3, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hands to mat. Step back. Lower Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg raises. And exhale, right knee to left elbow now. Inhaling, raise. Exhaling, lower. Inhaling, raising left leg. Exhaling, knee to right elbow. Getting that twist, grounding through the hands. Inhale, raise. And exhale, lower. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step. Or lightly jumping, floating to the mat. Look forward. And exhale, fold. Inhale, slowly peeling up. Hands raised. The last one. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, placing hands to mat, take a step back. Plank pose, modified plank pose. Exhale, lower, elbows tucked into the ribcage. Inhaling, upward dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Just holding here now, this is the last one. Just focusing now on grounding through the knuckles, spreading the fingers. As you push through the palms, feel the arms lengthen. Torso lengthens. Sitting bone raises. Let the head hang low. Look to the toes. Just noting where the heels are. Are they reaching towards the mat? Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Look forward on the inhale and exhale, fold. Chin to chest, slowly peeling up vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands become wide or up through the centre line. Hands reach high. Look up towards your thumbs. And exhaling, hands to heart centre. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you had a nice warm-up session there, getting the body moving, opening up the chest, and bringing some hip opening and twisting into our sun salutations and modifications of.
Thanks, Tim.